Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel Sri Lekha Akash. Today in this video, I'm just going to show my black bead jewelry. So these are all like handmade jewelry. I designed it on my own. So you can see this orange color pendant that was even a bead. I just added this as an pendant now, and I have been designed it with an black and golden combination. Usually women love wearing this combination, like black and golden combination. So this is a kind of an authentic style actually. So this looks very beautiful. So I designed it with green and pink combined with two different sizes of black beads, even though it was a seed style of bead, but that one has two different styles. You can see that two different sizes. So I finally tied up with an elastic knot. So you can use all these styles for your daily wear. You can see this one is a single style of seed bead, black color, combined with golden one, and I added some green color for giving finishing this look will be picture perfect. This one has two different sizes of black beads. I tried something new, even though it looks weird. Actually, I didn't like this style, but even though I just wanted to try something new because I was getting bored of designing the same designs, so that I just wanted to give a new try. This one was my most favorite, and I have been using this for 2 months now. You can see this golden beads are getting started to fade off its color. For the reason that I have been using it regularly, I fall in love with this design. I want to recreate this design, but I don't have a golden beads now. That is why I was wondering to buy them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Catch you all in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.